Property owners want to make certain they get what they're buying. For example, there's cleaning, mix design, cure times, weather, and more. But first, today, let's talk about mix design. The most important component of the mix design is the bulk sealer, followed by water, sand, and maybe an additive. Let's talk about bulk sealer. It's shipped from the manufacturer at a minimum of 47% solids. The contractor will then take it, add water, add sand, and maybe an additive to get the mix design for the job application. We want to talk about how to check the mix design. There's a lot of opinions out there on how to check mix design, but let me show you how it's done. Oftentimes, property owners or managers will have the contractor draw a sample of sealer. Now, it's very important that that sample is uniform, it's well mixed. And once it's pulled, in the lab, we can simply stir it up and run a percent solids on it. What this is going to do is going to tell us how much water has been added to the mix design and if it's the proper amount. We're going to add our sample to the oven. And we're going to let it cook for a minute. Now, based on the results that we get from driving off the water, we can go ahead and calculate the percent solids and check it against the percent solids of that particular mix design. What this machine does, it takes the sample, drives the water off, so that all that's left is the sealer and the sand. So it gives you percent solids of your mix design. After we run the percent solids of the seal coat, we can check for sand content by running the ash of the non-volatile, or what we call this per sand content. So what we do is we take our dried sample that came out of our oven after the percent solids, and now we'll go place it in an ash oven to burn off the carbon. After we leave this initial sample in the oven for a specified period of time and the carbon burns off, we get the end result, which is the silica. And what we do is we measure the difference in weight and make the calculation. Then we can calculate the amount of sand that was utilized in the mix design. Today I showed you how to check your mix design solids and how much sand was in your mix. Remember, there are still cleaning, mix design, cure time, weather that impact the success of the job. We hope that this was simple and informative. Check back with us often for more information.